how long have you been living here?
I was born in this house a long time back. This is a family house. I was born
Exactly, sir. Can you recall the year for us?
1950.
Right. And sir, what is the fondest memory you have attained from here?
Fondest memory, plenty of memories. They're all fondest, but I can't pinpoint at the moment at the moment. But the memories are always nice. It's very difficult to say it. I think it's just skip this question.
Alright, and sir, you are a very well-known painter. So, what inspired you to become a painter?
Well, my community inspired me, and my surroundings inspired me. The people who are suppressed in the society, and it's not the women especially. Women have grown with them, and lived the whole of my life with them. This is my inspiration of my paintings. Apart from that, also another one. It's not all the sex workers I am inspired, but any incident happens anywhere in the country. As a painter, I'm a sensitive part of the community. I do depict that. Maybe it might be a man or it might be a zulm kahin bhi ho raha tha. As a painter, try to depict in my paintings.
So, sir, what do you think? What made you choose the theme of your paintings?
Well, it's a very again old question, but obviously that I lived with all the sex workers live over here, all the surroundings. So I lived all my life from the sex workers, and that is the main theme of my work.
So your surroundings inspired you in this case. So you have witnessed this for a long time. How do you think time has affected these acts, if any at all? Has the methods changed?
Oh, it's a tremendous change. It used to be very beautiful like 30 years, 25 years back. Now it's been deteriorated for the last couple of years. And you see, everything is available outside in the posh areas also. ये तो बदनाम ही रह गया ना कि this is sex worker. Do you think कहीं भी चले जाएं guest house, everywhere you go and you find a good girl, have a phone करे सब कुछ होता है. ये तो बदनाम हो गया and everybody knows about it.
Sir, if you were born in a different environment or a different neighborhood, would you have told your children about Hira Mandi and the culture heritage based here?
Can you repeat the question?
Like, sir, if you were born in some other environment, so would you prefer your children to know about this place?
Nothing wrong in it. Everybody should be aware of it, what is happening in the country. हमारे इधर क्या हो रहा है, क्या माहौल हो रहा है इधर. And I might be a totally different person then. Okay, I go to part of the society, so-called society with cheap shoulders. Nothing in them. There's a fellow people they are, and part of the money they have it, and that's it.
So it is commonly known that prostitution has existed here ever since Pakistan became independent. Why do you think it has been stopped? It hasn't been stopped even after being declared as illegal.
Prostitution क्या आपने कहा existed what?
Like from the day of independence, the prostitution is happening over here. So it is commonly known that prostitution has existed here ever since Pakistan became independent.
Okay, this one. I'll give you an answer. It is wrong that prostitution existed over here. It is all over the world. Okay? It's not in the Pakistan. It's everywhere you go, every corner of the world. I travel a lot. हर जगह पे है. जब से दुनिया बनी है, since the world has been said, prostitution is from that first day when man, gives some knowledge to a woman to give maybe an apple or something like that to have a sex tree with that. तब से शुरू हुआ है. And ये I disagree with all these things. पाकिस्तान में शुरू हुआ. Everywhere in the world. Go to India, go to Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Bosnia and all that. आपने तो शायद अभी बच्चे पढ़े नहीं होगा. It's everywhere in the world watching over there. I know it's illegal in Islam. It's illegal everywhere in the world. जहाँ भी आप तो वहाँ भी अगर you go to states and all that, बोले so ये हो वो हो फलाना. Obviously we are Muslim and we can't practice this is openly as a prostitution everywhere. It is absolutely illegal in Islam. But you see, sexual frustration and human basic needs are always there. You can't stop it. Anywhere in the world, it can never be stopped.
And Sir, if you have opened your restaurant elsewhere in more posh areas like MM Alam Road, do you think you might have done even better?
No, I would have done a mistake and a worse job. Biggest mistake and a worse job in my life. I will never do it. I've been offered so many times. This is not mine. Oh, there are plenty of people who are doing it. I would have never done it.
So you want to stick to the place where you were born and you want to keep your family background and everything with you. So in your opinion, has the Shahi Mohalla changed since the time of the Mughals till today?
No, Mughals, because I'm not that issue. Mughal ka main janta hu. I know about 40 years back, 30 years back. And as I mentioned you about that, अभी मैंने सवाल का जवाब दे दिया आपका.
But sir, it means that जब तवाइफ की जो पहले रिस्पेक्ट थी, तो वो do you think अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करती है? वही रिस्पेक्ट है अभी भी?
चेंज हो गया ना, दुनिया बदल रही है. Everything has been changed now. It's not that the computer age is a fast age. सारा कुछ हो गया. Everybody has don't have time for that, more running for the after the money, economics and all that. इसमें human का जो respect का in elderly, if you want कहीं भी चले जाए, it's not that much left ना. We listen to elders now. They are more into their own world. तो यहाँ तो I don't know, change तो आया. अभी मैंने कहा it's tremendous change. दुनिया सिविलाइज बदल देती होती है, सिविलाइजेशन खत्म हो जाती है, मिट जाती होती है, सारे फ्रॉम दुनिया से चली जाती है. इट्स नॉट ए कांस्टेंट कि हमेशा उनकी सिविलाइजेशन रहेगी और ये करता रहेगा, चलता रहेगा. इट्स नॉट दैट.
Sir, what is your take on prostitution? Like, who do you think is at fault? Who is responsible for this? And why it's happening over here?
मैंने पहले बताया था, इससे बेसिक नीड्स, nobody is fault over there, right? ये भूख है इंसान की, it's a man's frustration, and he uses emotional blackmail also. He shows money. You can't buy the emotions through the money and all that. ये तो ब्लैकमेल होते हैं, किसी का दौर लग जाए, औरत का लग जाए, वो भी अपना चलाकी कर रही होती है. He's also, जब औलाद इनकी होती है तो वो तो इनकी आदमियों की नहीं, शरीफों की औलाद है ना, ये कहाँ से अपने तरह लेके आते हैं. So it's a double game, who wins over that.
So why do you think women resort to prostitution? Is it a decision resulting from desperation only? Is it ever willful? Is human trafficking common? Are women forced by pimps?
नहीं, the main thing is economics, right? Economics is the basic issue of the prostitution. जब एक किसी के, if you don't have food to, you can't have money to educate your children, you can't respect over there. बिजली के बिल नहीं है, you can't pay your electricity bill and all that. What? And nobody is patronizing. या उनको केयर करे. इतनी NGOs हैं कि look after them, कि नहीं, we look after you don't do this, nobody come forward to it. जितने भी हैं, just जितना आप इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, just on a surface you're doing it, marks will like that's it, and the chapter will be closed. So there's so many people. So I've been used to them for many years. The interview, they make promises, they do blah blah blah. They do not a bit. So for the survival, they have to, या तो फिर alternative हो ना गवर्नमेंट का कोई. Okay, we don't know, we'll educate your children, we'll provide you this funding, we'll give you a house, we'll give you a job. Nothing has been done, so there's no other option. Maybe if some private sector or somebody comes over there and open a technical school for their computer facilities for the jobs, अगर इनको कुछ ट्रेनिंग मिले, बच्चों को ट्रेनिंग for the girls and for the boys to have the technical education, maybe for 20 years it might be little slowed up, but never finished. As all of the world is concerned, prostitution will never be finished.
Sir, आपके ख्याल से in an environment like this, in a country like Pakistan जहाँ सारे Muslims हैं, do you think ऐसी एक open secret है almost, आपके ख्याल से शाही मोहल्ला ऐसी एरियाज होने चाहिए?
नहीं होने चाहिए, एग्जिस्ट हो जाते हैं, होने नहीं चाहिए. जहाँ पे it's not a Shahi Mohalla, as I mentioned before that, if you go any posh areas, जहाँ 5-6 लड़कियाँ prostitution शुरू हो गई. It's not a Shahi Mohalla, it can be in defense also.
सर हमने कल सर्वे किया था, तो टिपिकली तो ऑलमोस्ट सारी बंद हो गई है. तो डू यू थिंक ये जैसा स्प्रेड होगी अभी बाकी पूरे पाकिस्तान में स्प्रेड होगी, क्योंकि इट कैन नॉट, जैसे आपने कहा कि बंद तो नहीं हो सकती प्रोस्टिट्यूशन. तो
कहीं से किसी यहाँ से वो कहीं और चले जाएंगे, आप समझ रहे हो ना?
जी.
They might be shifting somewhere else, like 2 blocks away somewhere else. फिर कोई पिम्प भी आएगा, दुकान चाय वाला भी उधर आ जाएगा, somebody will come over there also. Again this starts.
तो आपके ख्याल से इतने टाइम से एग्जिस्ट कर रही थी ये, इवन आफ्टर पाकिस्तान, यहाँ पे लोगों को पता था कि शाही मोहल्ला में ओपनली प्रोस्टिट्यूशन हो रही है, तो आपके ख्याल से